This is exactly how to use the Argos Pay app. So firstly, open up your Argos Pay app here and then log into your account or sign up for the app if you haven't done so already. Then in here, what is pretty cool is that you will be able to view your credit limit here straight away. So you can see in this example, the credit limit is 2,000 British pounds basically. And you can also see your balance and how much is available for you to use left of your credit. You will also be able to see your payment requested here, as you can see, and which date they are due, and you can just click on pay here and it's going to be able to use from this as well, just so you know. So yeah, of course, make sure to always meet your payment request here before that specific deadline here. That is very important. You will also be able to view your messages on the app on the homepage right here as well. So on the first page, you should be able to view something like this for you. What you can also do on the app, by the way, is to make a one-off payment. So if you click on the pay section here, you can make a payment. You can also set up a direct debit or once again make a payment here, as you can see. And you can also view installment plans here. What you can also do on the app itself is to view the shop. So you can click on, for example, the Argos shop here or the Habitat shop. You might have more. This is just as an example, obviously. And you can purchase directly from there and then use Argos Pay as well. And by the way, if you're purchasing from somewhere else, make sure to use Argos Pay when checking out if you want to be able to use this specific app, of course. And you can see on the installment plans here, you can create a new plan. You can also see which plans are active and how much it is left for you to pay on each plans and how long it is here, as you can see. You can also create a new plan for here as well if you need one. This app is very good for installments, in my opinion. Very, very good, and also very good to keep in track exactly how much you have left. But basically, this is exactly what you can do on the Argos Pay app, and it is exactly how to actually use it as well.